Judge orders jurors to watch only comedies amid disturbing evidence. Imagine being cut off from the world, only allowed to watch light-hearted movies while a gruesome murder trial unfolds. This is the reality for the jurors in the Delphi double murder case. Judge Frances Gull has made it clear, no murder mysteries for the jury. They need a mental escape from the horrific details they'll hear. But any television viewing will be supervised by a court official, and the court has provided a variety of DVDs for their entertainment. The trial, which began in Delphi, Indiana, marks 7 years since the horrific murder of teenagers Libby, German, 14, left, and Abigail, Abby, Williams, 13, right, who disappeared on February 13, 2017. The jury trial began Friday in Delphi, Indiana, the town where they were found dead. The two best friends set out for a hike along the trails near the Monon High Bridge. What was supposed to be a carefree afternoon ended in tragedy. Their bodies were discovered near the creek by the abandoned Monon High Bridge, a place now haunted by their memory. Richard Allen, the man accused of the double murder, has pleaded not guilty. The trial is set to last 5 weeks. Jury selection was swift, with 12 jurors and 4 alternates chosen in just 2 days. To ensure a fair trial, jurors were selected from Allen County, 100 miles away from Delphi. These jurors will be sequestered, with no access to electronics or outside communication for the trial's duration. Judge Gull runs a tight ship, allowing only 12 of the courtroom's 72 seats to be occupied by journalists. The girls were found with their throats cut, their bodies staged and covered with branches, a scene that sparked cult theories. Spectators lined up outside the Carroll County Courthouse, eager to witness the trial's proceedings. Andrew Baldwin, Allen's attorney, revealed that a hair found in Abby's hand did not belong to his client, raising questions about the investigation. Judge Gull has yet to rule on whether early suspect sketches will be shown to the jury, fearing they might confuse rather than clarify. Concerns about an appeal potentially delaying the trial were dismissed when Judge Gull denied it earlier this month. The defense's theory of an Odinist cult's involvement was excluded due to lack of evidence, but they may still present other suspects. Libby German's last Snapchat post, a picture of Abby on the Monon High Bridge, is a haunting reminder of their final moments. The infamous "Bridge Guy" video, captured by Libby, shows a man approaching the girls, his identity still a mystery. Despite thousands of tips and extensive analysis, the case stalled until Richard Allen's arrest in October 2022. Allen, a local pharmacy technician, had been interviewed by police in 2017 but was overlooked until a new investigator reviewed the files. Witnesses reported seeing a man in similar clothing to "Bridge Guy" and a "muddy and bloody man" near the crime scene. Prosecutors have shared few details, withholding autopsy reports and leaving many questions unanswered. Allen allegedly confessed to a prison psychologist, detailing the crimes and his supposed motive. However, as of now he has pleaded not guilty. His wife, Kathy, remains supportive, insisting on his innocence despite the confessions and their marriage's profound impact. Allen's defense team faced challenges, including a leak of crime scene photos, but they remain on the case after a Supreme Court decision. The trial has thrust the small town of Delphi into the spotlight, with intense emotions and media attention surrounding the case. Libby's grandparents, Becky and Mike Paddy, have been vocal advocates, keeping the case in the public eye. Pedophile Keegan Kline, who communicated with Libby before her death, will be called as a witness by the defense. Ron Logan, on whose property the girls were found, was initially a suspect but died before any charges were brought. Despite his false alibi and violent history, Logan was never officially named a suspect. The trial's outcome remains uncertain, but the quest for justice for Libby and Abby continues. As the trial unfolds, the jurors' mental escape through light-hearted movies contrasts starkly with the grim reality of the case. We extend our heartfelt condolences to the families, friends, and everyone who loved these two young girls. Their lives were tragically cut short, but their memory will endure forever. Stay tuned as we follow this gripping trial, seeking justice for two young lives tragically cut short. Justice for Libby and Abby, the truth will prevail. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Your support really helps the channel.